up, everyone? This is Patrick, Comics and Collectibles, and what we have here is an overview of this Vampire Bats miniatures. I believe they are known as miniatures, and I want to give you a good look at them. Then we'll do a 360. I'll come back and talk about the shipping, the packaging, the seller, and then we'll take another look at these incredibly small bats. All right, let's talk about the packaging first. I bought this on Etsy, and the seller is right there. So if you're interested in buying from this seller, and the package came, well, this is the package. And as you can expect, it wasn't very big, but it was a really sturdy box. Really tough for a small box, to be honest. And there was a lot of, there was a lot of bubble wrap in here. They were very well protected. Each one came in one of these bubble wrap bags. That was really handy. All right, now I'm not a miniature collector, but I will be using maybe 2, possibly 3 of these for this figure here that I'm working on. Now let me tell you one thing before you order these. All right, now before you order these, keep in mind that these are miniatures and they are very small. The picture on the Etsy listing can be very deceptive, because it makes them, okay, hold on now, let me correct myself before I make a mistake. The seller does give you the size of these. However, the picture can be deceptive. Even though you know the size, it can deceive you, it can fool you. So let me give you the actual height. Now this one stands about, maybe the tip of that wing is 2 inches. I hope I had that on camera. Let's do it again. I may have missed it. Okay. The top of that wing right there is about 2 inches. It is about 2 inches across. And this one that's roughly, okay, I'm not even on camera. That's roughly 2 inches tall. And this one is man, I cannot stay centered on this camera. This one is about 1.5 inches tall at the tip of that wing, and that one is just over 1 inch tall. So now you know the size of these, and let's talk about what came in the package. I'm not going to touch these because they are, this one, hold on, can you see me? Man, I cannot stay centered. This one here and this one right here, they're just barely hanging on. See that piece right there, that clear piece? That's inserted into a very small hole on the bottom of the bat. Same with this one. So I'm not going to touch them. If I touch them, they probably fall off. And let me see. So where was I? Okay, talking about what came. This one is the base, that piece right there in the bat. That is one piece, and as you can see, there are 2 bats right there hanging on the tree. This one right here, and it's got a really cool base. If you can see it, its base is made of little skulls. I guess they're little bat skulls. I don't know. And this one here, same as the other one. It has the base, then that piece right there, and the bat itself. So those are all of the pieces that came, and all of these came as a set, and it was $14 plus shipping. I think was shipping free. I don't remember, but you can order these individually. They may be $4 each, or all 4 of them for $14, like I said. Well, that's it, folks. This is going to be a very short overview. Let's spin them around one more time, get another look. It's a lot of detail for something so small. I was really impressed by that. Get a close-up of that face. It won't focus too much in the background. Hold on, I know what to do. All right, I'm trying to get that thumbnail shot. Maybe let's put the light up here. Okay, I think I can get something out of that. All right, folks, thanks for watching the video, and thank you for supporting the channel. Bye.